Hello guys, welcome to the DBH Blogger YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can sign up and get $50 reward from Payoneer without any extra cost. To get started on this video, let's move on to our Google Chrome. Here you can see I have already opened Payoneer.com website, and you can see there is no option available for creating an account and get $50 reward. But I have a special link for you guys. You just have to use that link from the video description to create your account and you will get $50 reward. Once you will receive $1,000 in your Payoneer account. As soon as you reach that limit, you will get $50 reward in your Payoneer account. You can check this reward by logging to your Payoneer account. You will use this link. You will have this kind of interface, landing page, where you will land, and you just have to click on this button, sign up and get $50. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to account creation page, where you can see there are basically 4 steps: getting started, contact details, security details, and almost done. You just have to put your all personal information. Make sure to use your original name which you have already on your CNSE, and same name you must have on your bank account title. If your name spelling does not match with your original name or Payoneer name, then your application will not be accepted from Payoneer team. I already have created my account, so I will put dummy data for you guys just to show how you can create your account.